Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do the Nerf gun challenge. This is my brother here. Using the gun. This is the cups he has to knock down from there.
40 feet.
From there all the way to there. So Andy goes first. He has 3 chances. If not, it's my turn. So go, Andy. See if he gets it. Oh, he got it down.
One more.
So my turn. No, Andy got it. So Andy got it down. So now it's my turn. So hang on. So Andy's just gonna get the bullets back, and then he's gonna fix the castle back. That's all he had. Okay, Andy fix the. So Andy's gonna fix the buckets now, and then it's gonna be my turn. He's filling up the gun for me.
No, what you got your own gun there.
No, just come on. And then he's gonna fix the castle up.
Alright.
Okay, and then this is the.
Can you hold it for me?
So this is the line to go. Okay. So Andy's gonna record me now.
So I was sleeping right now.
And then you're not sleeping. Oh.
And
Stop saying stuff. Go sit there and record me. Record me.
so me and my brother is shooting.
No, say it's my turn now.
It's my turn.
Guys, so let's see if I can.
Let's.
Oh,
Ooh. One more,
Almost.
two more.
So.
No.
Hang on.
Is that 40?
No, it's not done yet. Nope.
Again? No. Yeah. Alex. Please no. Oh yes.
Close.
So that was 3.
No, that's 2.
2, 1, 2. And.
Okay, that's 3.
So
My
turn.
No, it's not your turn. So guys,
Are you gonna make it harder,
I
guys?
lost and he won. So bye guys and have a good day.